Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is the creator combo, which is a little bit more expensive than just getting the camera by itself, but I just thought that it was really worth it because you get a lot of accessories that come with the camera itself. And I'll show you what's included in this creator kit and why it's worth it to just go ahead and get the whole package. But of course, if you just want the camera itself, then that'll be a great idea for you as well if you don't need all of the accessories that come along with it. So the creator combo itself is a little bit pricey. It is around $600 some, and I really went back and forth when I was deciding if I would get this because I do already have the Sony ZV-E10, which I'm recording on right now, and I totally love this camera. It works really well for me for all of my talking videos as well as when I vlog, but I just really like the small pocket size of this camera, and it just allows you to be a little bit more discreet if you're someone like me. I'm not really like a vlogger like that, but I am starting to get into it more. I'm not someone who just really feels comfortable pulling out a large camera, and of course the ZV-E10 is not a really sizable camera. It is small when you're dealing with vlogging cameras, but it's not as small as your cell phone or this size camera. So of course your cell phone is great. I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that does shoot in 4K, but I just prefer to have a camera to give you a little bit higher quality and a little bit more options when it comes to your final output. Another thing that pushed me to get this camera is that I'm gonna be going on a trip next week to Disney World. So I really want to put together some great content for Disney World, and I want to do some vlogging, but I'm going with the group and I just don't know how comfortable I'll be pulling out my ZV-E10, doing a lot of vlogging, and I don't really want to transport my camera. I don't want to transport a large camera, and I thought that this would be easier to travel around with when I'm going to the different parks and all of the different fun things that we're going to be doing. I thought that this would be a better option for me when it comes to vlogging. So in comparison, just from the research I've done, I think that I'm going to use the Sony ZV-E10 more so when I'm doing my videos at home and doing talking videos like this one, and then when I'm doing my vlogging, I will probably use the Osmo 3 more. So with that being said, let's go ahead and just open this up and see what is included in the box. Okay guys, so you saw everything that came out of the box and everything that's included in the creator kit combo, but I just want to get into the camera itself. And right outside of the box, you see that it is so small. It definitely is pocket size. So I think it's going to be great for everything that I intend to use it for. It's very lightweight, so it'll be great for vlogging. It does have a rotatable screen here, so that allows for orientation control, so you can do your long form and short form content with ease, and you can just rotate the screen. It has a 3-axis gimbal, which allows for optimal stabilization when you're vlogging and you're walking and shooting your content. It has a rotatable active tracking, so it'll actively track its subject as you're filming, and it has stereo recording. Another super great feature is that it does shoot in 4K, so you're gonna get great quality content, great sound. So I'm just really excited. And then to turn this on, all you have to do is just rotate your screen. It turns right on, and you see that active tracking and that gimbal control right out of the box. So they do have your on and off switch and a couple of other buttons here. This is where your mini SD card is gonna go. And I did want to show you guys that I purchased a 256 gigabyte mini SD card, because this is going to take the smaller size. So if you have your regular SD cards that you use for like your Sony ZV-E10, you know, just know that you'll have to get a micro SD. So this was also purchased for maybe $32 for the 256 gigabyte, which is going to give you a lot of memory. So another thing that I love about the creator kit is that you're going to get a microphone and you'll get a windshield with it. So you can have a microphone that you can use if you're shooting from a distance or you just want really clear sound. That does come included in that. So you also get a magnetic clip that comes for your microphone, and this will allow you to clip it onto yourself so that you can be hands-free. You can even utilize this for like your talking videos, and your microphone would just attach right onto your lapel so that you can get that audio and you can talk right to your microphone, but you don't have to hold it if you don't want to, and you can be hands-free. So it comes right in the kit and you clip it onto yourself with that. And then the windshield just allows you, you know, like it sounds, windshield. It shields the wind from you. So when you're outside, this is great to clip onto the microphone so that you don't have all of that wind noise and background noise distracting your audio. So when you're not using your camera and when you're done using it, you can use your protective case and you just put your camera inside, and then it's protected, your screen is protected, your camera and everything. It also comes with the carrying bag, which is really great. So when you're traveling, like I'll be traveling next week, you can put all of your items right in this bag. It's very compact, and they have a compartment for all of your products and all of your accessories to go in. I'm excited about the gimbal control because I noticed that when I use my Sony ZV-E10 and I'm just using it on my regular handheld tripod, I don't have a lot of control. You can see a lot of the shaking. So I do like the built-in stabilization and the gimbal here that you have with this camera. You also have a regular handle for the camera, and so this just clips right onto the bottom of your camera. So your camera is already going to be charged, and that's going to be with the cable that you get, and your camera will be charged, and then you just put this clip onto the bottom. But if you're on the go and your battery loses power and your camera turns off, you do have a battery clip as well. So this will allow you to have your charge on your camera, and then you'll have a charge on the battery clip, and it just hooks on the same way the other clip does, and then that way you can have double battery life when you're on the go. So you won't have to worry about looking for a charger, and you can just hook your battery on there for extended battery life. You do have your mini tripod here, and this just goes right into the bottom of the camera. And then you just screw it on here, and then you have a mini tripod. So you don't always have to use it as a vlogging camera where you're doing it as a handheld camera. You can use this tripod, and then you can stand it up, and you can even do your talking videos with this camera as well. They also provide you with a wide angle lens that you can put on your camera lens, and this is going to allow you to get a wide angle if you want to get some wide shots while you're vlogging and you don't want to have that closed in cropped feeling. Then you can get your wide angles with this external wide angle camera lens that comes with it. And then it also has a wrist strap for you that you can use so you won't lose your camera, and you can attach it right to your wrist. So it has everything that you can think of, and all of this comes right in the kit with your camera. So right out of the box, when you turn it on, it does give you a QR code, and once you use that QR code, it's going to take you to the Osmo Pocket 3 site. I don't know if you can see that, but it does give you videos which will help you with your initial setup. It has the Osmo Pocket 3 first use video. It also has the Osmo Pocket 3 beginner guide, and the Osmo Pocket 3 user manual is there, as well as the easy to use guide for beginners. So all of that is right on your phone, right on the website, right on the QR code from the camera right out of the box. They also have a link to their Instagram. You can download Lightcut app, as well as download the DJI Store app. Okay guys, so there you have it, Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm so excited to use this camera. I'm so excited to start vlogging with it and bring it on my trip next week to Disney World and get some amazing footage, which I'll be sharing here on my channel. I know that you can get 4K with your cell phone as well, but I really don't want to clog up my phone, and I want all of the great features that this offers that I can't get with my phone, like the image stabilization, the gimbal, and the rotating screen for orientation control. So I think that this is going to be a great addition to all of my content creator gear. And let me know what you guys think. Do you have the Osmo Pocket 3? Are you enjoying utilizing this camera? And what do you think is the difference between this camera and the ZV-E10? So I'm definitely going to be playing around with it and comparing those two cameras, because there may be still times where I'm going to opt to bring my Sony ZV-E10 out on the road for vlogging as well. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to bringing you some great content with my new camera. Okay, see you next time. Bye.